Hello, and welcome to this tour on how to use the Algonquin College Library Subject Guide for Water and Wastewater Technician Program. Today, I will be showing you how to use the various features of the Library Subject Guide, and in fact, exactly what is a Library Subject Guide. So let's get down to that. What is a Library Subject Guide, and where would you find it? Well, Library Subject Guide is a set of resources that are available through the Algonquin College Library and have been put in a handy website to show you where to find them if you need to do some research. If you want to get to a library subject guide, first you should navigate from the Algonquin Student Portal to Library. And then on the library homepage, if you look in these tabs here, in the far right tab, there's subject guides and a whole list of programs and subjects. Right at the bottom is Water and Wastewater Technician. Getting into the subject guide, it has a bit of basic information on the front about the library and how this guide works. There are also several tabs that you can use to show you different resources available. The first tab is the Books tab. So here, librarians have chosen a number of books that are relevant to the Water and Wastewater Management Program, displayed them here with information and also with permanent links. If I click on this link here, it immediately takes me to the library catalog record for that same book. So now I know where it is and what I need to do if I want to go check that book out. There's also more information on placing holds and dealing with your library account information in case you've forgotten how to do those things. You can also enter your own search in this box and look at the rest of the objects within the library catalog. As well, there's some handy information on the side here about which numbers in the Library of Congress system your subjects may come under, such as hydrology, chemistry, biochemistry, biology, etc. Going to the eBooks tab, here, just like with regular books, there are links to ebooks which are thought to be useful for your program. And let's just see if we can open one of these ebooks. So I'm going to click on Spellman's Standard Handbook for Wastewater Operators, Volume 1. Now I'm coming from home, so I'm going to have to put in my student number as well as my PIN number. And now I'm at the record for the ebook that I clicked on. I can look at individual chapters here if I just want to see a part of it. I can download the ebook to use offline, or if I click here, ebook full text, it's going to take me directly to a displayed version of the book. Spellman's Standard Handbook for Wastewater Operators, Volume 1. And here I can read the whole thing or just particular pages or particular chapters. I can navigate on the left here to different points in the book. All very easy to use. So going back to the subject guide, there's also a tab for articles and databases in case you have to do some research. Here are the names of the most popular databases for your program: Access Science, Canadian Centre for Occupational Health and Safety, Career and Technical Information, and then also some names of some other databases which are more general but still could easily have information relative to what you're doing. There are also the name of a few journals that are available through the internet. For example, the Environmental Science and Engineering magazine for free through this link. So let's just see. And there it is, the current issue of Environmental Science and Engineering magazine. There's also a tab for video resources. which includes a number of videos which were thought to be useful for people in your program, as well as some links to streaming videos online, which are also of interest, as well as links to online videos and tutorials offered either free online or by the library. Finally, there's a tab for web resources, which gives me the links of various associations and other resources related to water management and wastewater management. There's also some additional information which is useful for all students on how to cite and reference sources. So that's all for this tour of the Water and Wastewater Technician Subject Guide. I hope you've had a good time, and good luck studying!